Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to record an audio voiceover inside of Microsoft's Clipchamp. So to get started, there are two ways to go about this. You can either go to your home page and you can look for this option that says record yourself right here. And then another option is, for example, you already have a video project that you've started. You can go ahead and move on over to the record and create tab on the left hand side of your screen and get started that way. So here it is. It's right below my media on the left hand side. And as you can see, there is an audio option here. So let's go ahead and click that and it's going to open up the interface for recording your microphone. So this is what it should look like, and notice how there is an option for a script. This is a really neat feature that Clipchamp has. You can either type something in here. That way you don't get lost while you're voicing out whatever it is you have to say. So for example, I were to click on start recording, there's going to be a short countdown, and now the voiceover has started. So there are a few options here. You can pause your microphone while recording if you need to take a quick break or fix something in the background, and you can also just stop the recording altogether. So I'm going to go ahead and press stop, and you're going to be able to listen to the recording in a short preview, and that's what it looks like. So we can go ahead and click on save and edit, and now we can use our recorded voiceover for whatever it is we need it for in our video. Whether you need to narrate a section of a video or whether you want to add some storytelling elements to whatever your project is. So that's going to be it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.